Hey awesome learners, welcome to Image AI Quick ML tutorial series. In this part, we are going to extract feature from a detected object, okay, from an image, okay. That's all. Let me take you to the previous tutorial. What we have done till now, we have just created, okay, sorry, this is not our project folder, this is our project folder, and this is the image. What after detection, what image we get, okay, this is the image, okay. So what it is doing, where we have passed this image for the object detection. After detecting every object, it have draw bounding boxes on the image, okay. So now the point is, if you want to extract every features, means this is a person, you want to extract this image and save it. This is a truck, you want to extract this image and save it. This is a bicycle, you want to extract it and save it in a folder. You want every feature from a image to be saved separately. I think you get it, okay, right? So how you are going to do this? This is pretty easy. Just follow the steps, okay. For that, just I am going to copy the code. As you know, this is my website where I am maintaining all the codes. You can find codes over here. So let me copy the code and object detection.py. Okay, oh sorry, I am object detection.py. I have to go to the feature detection, okay. Object detection, extraction and fine tune, okay. Object detection, extraction and fine tuning, okay. Let me just copy the file name first. Copy it, okay. Let me just create another file over here. Wt control A control B. I have just created another file, and I am going to write code. I am just going to copy the code from here, copy, and I am going to paste it on the Visual Studio. Where is my Visual Studio? Object detection, Visual Studio. I get it, okay. So here is our object detection feature extraction file. Control B, we have pasted it. So let's understand the code. First, we have imported the required packages. Second, we have getting the working directory, then instantiating the object detection and looping and loading the model, okay. Then finally we are detection, we are detecting, okay. Then we are looping for the result and showing the value, and the feature extraction part is performing by the detect objects from image method, okay. We are not going to add any methods to do this. Just we are going to pass a argument that is extract detected objects as true. That's all we want to modify from our previous tutorial to this tutorial, okay. So we have just given a argument that is extract detected object, that will be true. So this this uh, this model will extract all the images and save it inside a folder. Let me check, let me show you how it is going to do all the kind of stuff. Just let me just save the code, okay. And I am going to run the code on my command prompt. I will type python space object detection.py, sorry, object detection underscore and feature extraction.py. I will hit enter, and just to wait, oh sorry, it's my fault. I have to update this with respect to this, because we are just downloaded the tiny yellow. So copy it and paste it over here, okay. This time we have done. Just run the code. Wow, we get all the detection. Look at here, we get all the detection, and object is stored to this directory. It is showing object is showing stored to this directory. Just let me take you to that directory. Okay, this is a project utility. This is a new file which I've created, or inside that look at the images. Okay, it have extracted the cycle image. This is cycle image. This is good. Good. It have extracted all the features. Okay, look, it have extracted all the features. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Now we can pass a image and we can extract every detected object. From that we can detect objects, we can draw bounding boxes, we can bounding. And stay tuned. Thank you for watching this tutorial.